Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change Godaddy account password, so let's get started. So at first we need to visit godaddy.com and from the top we are going to click on this drop down and then we will click on sign in. Now here we need to enter our Godaddy account username and password and then click on sign in. So in this way we will be redirected to our Godaddy account dashboard. Now from the top we are going to click on account settings and after that we are going to click on login and pin. Now from here we are going to scroll down to password section and here we will see a edit button, so we are going to click on this edit button. Now at first we are going to add our current password, so I am going to enter it here. After that we are going to add our new password and then we are going to confirm our new password. And after that, when all is done, we are going to click on save button. So in this way our Godaddy account password will be changed. So this is how you can change Godaddy account password. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.